Respected Principal Sir and fathers who came from outside, and my dear teachers and also dear students, good morning to one another. All of you know today importance of today. Already Jalan sir explained our today importance, but briefly I will explain in front of you. Srinivas Ramanujan born on 22 December 1887. But he was actually basically he is less knowledge. Due to his hard work, he got a good name and he became a good mathematician. His father was working a cloth merchant, clerk in a cloth merchant. His mother was a housewife. Sometimes whenever she leader, at the time she went to a temple and she sing a song. He married at the time of at the age of 22. He married a small girl, that means 9 years old girl. Her name was Janaki Ammal. She is the daughter of her father, fourth daughter of her father. Her father has 6 members, 5 daughters and 1 son. She is fourth daughter of her father. But Srinivas Ramanujan, he joined in the Royal Society, the second fellowship of our Indian mathematician. He is actually, because of his hard work only, he got knowledge like that. He wrote half of the dozen of the papers about mathematics, nearly 3 years, 1914 to 1917. Only 8 pages, 8 pages, that means how much difficulty it is. But this difficulty also made us easy because of logical thinking. Now also, we are also feeling like that when mathematics is very difficult, but we are using logical methods, it will be easy only. But that stress, keep it in mind, and you can use just how Srinivas Ramanujan got knowledge of mathematics, like that we want to take. And he was at the Royal Society, he was joined in Royal Society. He discovered 32 reactions, 32 methods, discoveries in the mathematics. Nearly 5 years he did hard work and get good name. Because of his good hard work, his friend, he is also mathematician, Srinivasan, P.K. Srinivasan, he is also mathematics instructor. He arranged a museum in Chennai. And he attached all photos of his family, Srinivas Ramanujan and his family and his discoveries. Then too, he appreciated by all. Then only Srinivas Ramanujan known for all. Because of his hard work, Srinivas Ramanujan got good name. Okay, thank you one and all giving this opportunity.